Hello and welcome to yet another video on Claude presented by your mentor Vivek. Open Claude on your desktop and you're not looking at one tool. You're looking at three shapes of work. Chat, co-work, the code tab. Same app, three very different rhythms. Pick the wrong shape and a 10-minute job eats your whole afternoon. Let's fix that today. Shape 1. Chat, turn by turn. The thinking happens in the exchange itself. Reach for it when the answer will change your next question, when you want to stay in the loop with your judgment applied every turn, or when the thing is just plain quick. And on desktop, chat gets extras. Double tap option on a Mac. A quick entry bar appears instantly. Screenshot that confusing dashboard and ask what you're looking at. Or hit dictation and simply talk. Low friction, fast answers. Shape 2. Co-work. Here's the mindset shift. Stop dictating steps. Describe the outcome. Claude plans the work, does the work, and returns it done. You can watch and steer anytime, and it asks your approval before anything consequential, like sending an email. The toolkit is serious. Folder access. Finished files get saved back into your folder, not dumped as downloads. Scheduled tasks that run on their own. Subagents grinding in parallel. Browser and computer use. Plugins for sales, finance, legal. One gate though, co-work needs Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. At Brightcard, a scheduled task builds your Monday sales report before you finish your first chai. That's co-work. Work that happens while you don't. Shape 3. The code tab. This is a genuine development environment. Claude reads and writes code, runs commands, shows visual diffs, carries a built-in terminal, and Git rollback covers you when something breaks. Work local. A folder on your machine with a dev server preview, or Cloud on a GitHub repo where sessions keep running after you close the app. You set the autonomy, approve manually, accept edits, or plan first. Not a developer? Skip this tab, zero guilt. Builders. My SDD masterclass is the complete journey. So the decision table, asking, brainstorming, drafting, chat, a multi-step deliverable, multiple tools, or a schedule. Co-work, code inside a code base, code tab. Now be honest, how many real handoffs have you been spoon-feeding into chat one question at a time? Describe the outcome, not the first question. That's the whole skill. Next up, section 2, projects. Giving Claude a permanent memory for your work so you never re-upload the same brand PDF again. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.